Hello friends, welcome to our channel Trade Topic. Today I am going to show you how to customize Simple Day theme. Simple Day is a very basic theme for a blogger. Very simple and very beautiful theme which have lots of features. Now let's see what are these features. Just log in into your WordPress dashboard. Go into the appearance option. In appearance, select customize. Customize is loading. Basically, if you want to free themes, simple day theme is very useful. There are lots of features in this theme in free. You can see the different features, different option at left side, site setting, colors, header, footer, sidebar, index, post, pages, menus, widget, additional CSS. In site setting, site and identity. Here you can title your website, your tagline, logo, all are option in site identity. Background image. If you want to set background image for your website, you can select it from here. Home page setting. You can set your home page by your latest post, or it may be simple one static post or static page. Box style. There are two box style, shadow and flat. If you select flat, it it don't have any space between the two posts. And if you select shadow, shadow is appear on post. Fonts. There are different font. You can select Google fonts or WaveSafe fonts, which whatever you want. All fonts are available. Here option for Gutenberg. Gutenberg is a platform for writing, and this is available in this theme. In option, if you want to not show 404 error on your website, select image. So when 404 pages come, this image is shown and this error is not captured by Google robot. Now let's see colors option. Skin. If you select skin, red, orange, none, all options are available. outer area skin means. If you select none, is go into as it is position. Side color, you can select different color for your page, for your header, for your footer. Now let's see header option. You can select header logo from here. You can put, if you want to put header logo, header image, layout, which layout you want. Three types, four types of layout. Menu display position, right position, left position, center position. If you want space between two menu display, space around, all options are available. Title display, if you want to it on center or left, you can select it. Tagline display, site title size, mobile for mobile setting, alert box, menu. You can select header menu icon which you want. Footer option, footer layout, three types of footer layout. If you hide, if you want to hide logo of simple day theme, you can hide it by these options. Widget title, menu icon. If you select icon, sidebar, sidebar option, three types of sidebar layout. Index layout, there are three layout. One is this kind of layout, post in horizontal side, block type, 4 block, 9 block. Next, simple day style, post format. You can select post format, month, day, year, whatever you want. Post date display, square or circle, position, post date, position. title of your index title size. Index title size means this title font size. Post post options. All options are available for post. Also pages. Here main simple day option. If you have a Google AdSense, you also paste your ID here and add code. AMP beta, this is for mobile. You can select your mobile logo. Sitemap, you can also select enable sitemap for your site. Word balloon option, this is for CSS. If you have a social account, paste your URL here. All social accounts are there: Amazon, CodePen, Facebook, Flickr, GitHub, Google+, Line, LinkedIn, SoundCloud, Twitter, YouTube. All are available. Menus. In menus, you can choose header menu, primary menu. Header menu means this menu. Select category which you want. Here you can add items like pages, custom link. Also you can add post, tag, format, whatever you want. Also primary menu. Primary menu is shown here. About us, contact us, terms and policy, all pages. Here option widget. Widget, sidebar widget. You can put in sidebar. Content bottom left. Content bottom right. If you want to customize your theme by your own, you can add your code here, CSS code here. Thank you friends watching for my video.